Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. This is a video of painting a simple column design for a blouse sleeve. Here I have made a short video of showing how to mark the blouse sleeve for painting from already stitched blouse. And this marking is just for blouse sleeve painting and it is not advisable for blouse cutting. I have taken a fabric of 1 meter. Then I folded into equal half. The sleeve marking should be on the open edge. Now I fold it into equal half for the second time. This is the third fold. Now for the fourth time I fold it equally. And now this marks the center of the sleeve. Now I fold my material into equal halves and I start marking my blouse sleeve. Then I leave a scales width at the open edge of the material. Remember, it is the open side and it is not the folded side. Then fold the blouse sleeve as shown and keep it by the center. Here you can clearly see the center fold. Holding the blouse carefully without moving, I mark the center of the armhole referring to the stitches. Now I mark the edges of the armhole line in reference with the stitches. Similarly, I press my finger on the stitches and I fold the blouse to the back and mark the armhole line. Now I connect the dotted lines to get a smooth curve. By using a scale, I connect both the edges of the sleeve. Now I repeat the same process of marking for the other side of the sleeve. Here I have used tailor's wax pencil. In case of using a tailor's chalk, you can just fold the fabric along the center line and dab on it to trace the lines you have made to the other side of the sleeve. Now I have finished the sleeve marking. As you can see, this is the center of the sleeve. Now it is all set and I can make my design onto the sleeve. For a better idea, now I am making the column design onto a paper first. I can't risk making any wrongs on the fabric, so I make simple steps to guide me to avoid making any mistakes on the fabric. I made this V and inverted V in the center to avoid any confusions. I didn't want the column to be very plain, so I add some extra details. To make it look more good, I make my column with black. Very simple, so I add some extra details. Here, with the help of these clips, I hold my fabric straight onto a board. It's your choice, you can use the board or you can use an embroidery frame. Now I use a white gel pen to mark the column design to the sleeve fabric. Mistakes are common and these mistakes can be corrected while using white acrylic color. You can remove the markings of this white gel pen when you wash the cloth after painting. Now I use white acrylic color to paint the kollam. After painting the kollam white, now I want to make some simple border design for the blouse sleeve. If you are new, kindly support us by subscribing to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. If you like this video, do like and share this video with your friends of similar interests. Do share me your views on this video in the comment section. I have pulled out the cotton from the earbuds and I have used the stick to make similar sized dots. After completing the painting, you can reverse iron the fabric. Then you can wash your fabric. To make the design similar for the other sleeve, I have used tracing sheet to trace the kollam design. Thank you for watching the complete video.